of Medina. He is also popularly known as Wasim Ajmeri. Okay. Then we have got our Saudi staff. You all might be knowing about them. Mr. Tanvir Maruf, I told you, he is the new recruit. This year he will be joining. Then we have got Mr. Sharif. You know all about this guy, Sharif guy. He is working with us from last 4 years. Mr. Zafar, he is Zafar for airport handling. We have got Basim Cook and there will be 2 helpers over there. One in the kitchen, one on the boozer. The same in Medina, Mr. Salim Khan will be the manager. Wasim Ajmeri will be the supervisor. Sahir is the cook. We will be having a roti maker in Medina, a helper in the kitchen and the helper in a buffet. This is our Saudi staff. What are the businesses we are looking forward this year? We are looking forward for Hajj and Umrah group packages, hotel allotments. In Makkah and Medina, we are taking allotments for 3-star, 4-star, 5-star hotels in both the cities. Then we have got customizer. He takes care about passport and forex. Then we have got Lubna Rizvi. She is taking care of sales and marketing. We have got Maria. She is a receptionist. Then we have got Mr. Amish. We have got Mr. Salim. Mr. Tanvir Maruf is going to join us from this year. He is Mr. Tanvir. He is really taking care of our Makkah. But in Makkah there are some places where live chicken is available, and Mr. Sharif takes all efforts to go and bring it daily. We have got best quality delicious Indian buffet food, experienced cooks from Mumbai and Delhi, licensed kitchens used in Makkah and Medina, complimentary laundry, Zamzam and books, and no hidden cost. Of course, once you pay, you don't have to pay anything in Saudi Arabia. These are the photographs of our exclusive features of Ziyaras, the room arrangement, the live chicken photographs which you use, Alana meal. This is our stock room. This is our restaurant, our refreshments during Ziyarats. This is a Makkah hotel which we have been using from last 3 years. Dahlia to one and all by supporting travel agents and giving a fair deal to all Umrah travelers. Our other company, Rahat Travels of India, is a B2C company which caters to direct end user Hajj Umrah pilgrims. Rahat Travels of India is a bona fide member of All India Umrah Tours Organizers Association, All India Umrah Tours Private Limited, International Air Transport Association, that is ITA, Hajj Pilgrims Association of India. Ours is a professionally managed organization engaged in providing Hajj and Umrah services to clients from all over India. We are India's leading government recognized consultants with a wide network of more than 50 branches all over India. At Rahat Travels of India, we believe our role in your life goes far beyond being just on the travel company. It is with this belief that we introduce new innovations and breakthroughs that are benchmark for others in this category. Let's move ahead. We have got our management. Mr. Rahat Sheikh is the chairman of the company and my father. Mr. Imran Rahat Sheikh, that is myself, I am the managing director. Mr. Fahad Amanullah Sayyed, he is the chief operations officer, he is also my brother-in-law. Mr. Gyas Balman is the marketing manager, a very dear friend of Mr. Rahat Sheikh. Then we have got Mr. Asim Hussain, again my brother-in-law, in charge of UP and Uttarakhand. Then these are free of certificates. As I told you, Rahat is also an ITA approved company. IIHT is also an ITA approved company. We have got here Government of India recognition from Certificate of Incorporation, AIHUTA membership. We also are the only company in India to get a certificate from Mobily, which is the second largest telecom operator in Saudi Arabia. Appreciation certificate was given to us in 2012 for our participation in their SIM distribution. This is our own Umrah license. We have got a contract with Ajiyat United for Umrah Service Company Saudi Arabia. And we issue our own visas. We have got our security deposit, 2 lakh Saudi riyals given to them. And apart from this, we are also working with Dalla and Afwaj. This is our own license. Then a few words about our staff in our head office, Indian staff. As most of you might have heard these names, Ms. Hajra Kapdi, she is the head of Umrah groups. She is taking care of tickets and visas for all the groups departing from India. We have got Mr. Tausif Khan, she is Hajra, and here it is Mr. Tausif Khan. He is the head of ticketing department and he also takes care about customized Umrah packages. That is for 3 days, 4 days if somebody wants to make customized packages, Mr. Tausif Khan. Then we have got Shabana Khan. She is taking care of hotel tickets and visas for all countries. We have got Mr. Mohsin Sayyed. He takes care of passports and forex. We have got Lubna. She is taking care of sales and marketing. We have got Maria. She is the reception. Mr. Amish and Mr. Salim. They are working as office assistant. He is Mr. Salim. Then two new people will be joining us from this year. Mr. Tanveer Maruf and Mr. Wasim Ajmeri. They will be on abroad duty, not working in our head office. We will come to them later. This is our Saudi staff. We have got our own salaried staff in Saudi, taking care of our services in Saudi. Let's go through the Makkah staff first. In Makkah, we have got joining this year will be Mr. Tanveer Maruf. He will be the manager. He has been working with a lot of airlines of late and wants to do khidmat for Haji, so he will be joining this year. Mr. Sharif, you all know, most of you know this guy sitting here. Sharif Bhai is a supervisor working with us from last 4 years. He is Mr. Zafar. He takes care of airport handling. Any Haji going from India, he receives them and takes them to our hotel, helps them in Umrah. Then we have got our cook. We have got one helper in the kitchen and one helper on the buffet with Mr. Sharif. That is our Makkah staff. We have got our separate staff in Medina. Mr. Salim Khan, you all have heard about him. You might have met him also. Mr. Wasim Ajmeri, he is Wasim, this guy holding our banner over here. At the bottom, he will be taking care, he will be supervising us in Medina. Then we have got Mr. Sagir, cook. We will be having one roti maker in Medina. You can note that there is no roti maker in Makkah because in Makkah we provide tandoori rotis and parathas because it is easily available in Makkah. In Medina, our kitchen is very far and rotis are not available. So we have a special roti maker over here. Then we have got helper 1 in the kitchen and the helper 2 in the buffet. Let's go ahead. There is a business which we are looking for this year. Our business and services, Hajj and Umrah packages as we have been doing all these years. Hotel allotments in Makkah and Medina. We have taken hotels in Makkah and Medina this year, which we will be giving you to sell at very competitive rates, of course. We have got customized Umrah packages. If somebody wants 3 days Makkah, 2 days Medina, they don't want 7 days Makkah, 7 days package, we can give them customized package. We have a separate team for that. We have got transport and ziyarats for buses and we have got a lot of buses, a lot of options from starting from Ford to Hiace to Coaster to 50-seater buses. We all have tied up with them.